Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds Sony. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. And on the front side we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone, and all you need to have for this is USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one at the USB-C port at the bottom of the charging case. And again we see this LED light, meaning that these headphones are charging. The last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can use your earbuds from, let's say, your PC, and it look like this. Now connect USB-A cable to USB-A port at your device. I'm going to connect to my PC, and USB-C port to USB-C port at the charging case. And again this LED light, meaning that it works. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I actually tried wireless charging station, and this headphones doesn't support this technology, so only this option. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!